Amy from Custom Vinyl Decor. I'm here doing another video of how to install vinyl on your wall. We have this darling decal called You Got This. And I wanted my family to see this every single day. So I'm putting it on my wall, on my hall, so that when every time somebody walks past, they see You Got This and they know. I just wanted to show you really quick. It comes rolled up in a box. It'll come in a long tube, and it will come with your order with a personalized little message, as well as instructions on the back of how to install it. What I have done is already gone ahead and gotten some of the big pieces up. It's the same principle that I'm just about to show you. I have left these plus signs here because that's how you line all of your letters up and your pieces up. I have this last piece that's going to go right here on this plus sign at the bottom. And what I'm going to do is just turn it over, and I'm going to take the backing off of this, and the vinyl will stick to this transfer paper that's sticky. And so it's a little hard to do it on this skinny part of my wall. But you can just see that the transfer or the backing just peels right off. It's super easy to peel off. The end kind of curls a little bit, but that's okay. So now it's all off, and I have this ready to go. And so now all I need to do is just line up these plus signs, and I don't want to stick it too hard to the wall. You can kind of see through, and I just wait until I make sure that I can't see. I have the plus sign lined up exactly where I want it. And I look, and that looks about right. Oh, I forgot my credit card. And then you just grab your credit card and you just start scraping it onto the wall like this. It is super, super easy. Super fast. And don't worry if there's some little bubbles, it's okay, you can get those out. See, sometimes it wants to peel up a little bit, but you can just push it back down, and then hold it down. Some of the skinnier little pieces like to come up a little bit. Move over here so you can kind of see what it is I'm doing. There's that. Sorry, you can hear construction downstairs. We're finishing up our basement, and we've got people down there working. See, it's just coming right off. And I love this charcoal gray. This charcoal gray is so awesome. It is such a beautiful color and goes with so many different colors. Now, here is a little crease in this letter right here. So what you can do when that happens is just carefully lift it up. Whoops. And then put it back down and let it just kind of fall naturally. See, sometimes it takes a minute to get it to stick where it needs to, but that's all there is to it. Thank you.
60